Yes, Padme, you were the light of my life. I love you. I love you more than anything I had ever loved before. Yes, yes, I loved you, and you were the light of my life. I loved you more than the 2-for-1 Viagra coupons. I loved you more than the poop in my own underwear. Because you were the light of my life. You were the light of my life. You were the light of my life, babe. You were the light of my life. And I loved you. Oh, I loved you. I loved you, babe. I loved you like the hose I spent my salary on. I loved you like that hoe who wore that Homer Simpson lingerie. Because you were the light of my life. You were the poop of my life. You were the poop in the pants. You were the pee in the pants. You were the poop in the pants. You were the bread in the pants. You were the gravy in the pants. Just like the skin marks in my underwear. Because you were the light of my life. You were the poop of my life. I loved you. Although I didn't know I didn't love you more than I loved Obi-Wan. I loved Obi-Wan more, 'cause he had the sexier lingerie. Sing it one more time. Yeah, the sexier lingerie. Yes, he did. He had the sexier lingerie.